Hey guys, so I'm coming back to you with a really short video about refilling the cuticle oil pens. We're just chilling watching Harry Potter at the moment. To start refilling it, I've just pulled off the top. That came off really easily and poured out whatever was left back into my jojoba oil bottle, or jojoba oil, however you want to pronounce it. My hands are really oily and so is the pen, so the next few steps are pretty hard, which is where Gurps comes in. Can you pull off the bottom again for us, please? So he's twisting it that way. Clockwise. And pulling. Okay, so he did it. By breaking it. Okay, cool. No worries. It is really fiddly. You will definitely need someone to help you out with it. So, just got to pull that little plunger bit out. We want that to stay on the top. Just whack it down. Okay, this doohickey, and this doohickey, and this doohickey. You need the small doohickey with these sharpie bits facing down on the long doohickey. So the thicker side goes at the bottom and the thinner bit goes at the top. The bit with the thing coming off, that goes facing down. You've got to place it in there and you've got to twist it, and you've got to twist until it goes, this goes down. Anyway, now that it's twisted down, we good. So we're gonna pop it in there like that. It's going to make that noise. Then you take the longer doohickey and you push it down onto the smaller doohickey, and then put that into the middle of your palm, that into the middle of your palm, lock your fingers and push. It's just going to make your life easier, otherwise your fingers are going to really hurt. And we have the poor hickey. Got some more doohickey in there. Grab the nibby hickey. Push the nibby hickey down. You will hear like a puff. Yeah, like a puff. That's just pushing the air out. Anyway, now when you twist the doohickey, you will see doohickey inside move up your hickey. And as it moves up, the air up, and as it's pushing the air up, mad oils at the top, and you can see the doohickey that we twisted down, it's now come up a little bit. Now this cuticle oils, now I've got loads of oil on my hands right now, so we're just gonna borrow the husband. The husband
really bad,
very bad. I need to give him a manicure, which is fine, but anyway. Give him some love.
Can I wipe this off?
Costs a lot of money. There are children starving.
They could drink this oil.
In Africa.
Why Africa? Why not anywhere else?
Because that's what the TV advert said.
Okay. Can I drink it?
No.
I'm starving.
Doesn't matter. This isn't for the children to eat. I'm saying there's children starving in Africa.
That could have better nails.
That could have oil to cook their food. They probably don't cook with jojoba oil.
They have nothing to cook. They can cook their imagination.
You're so mean. Horrible.
Bants.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like. Like. Big thumbs up.
Like.
Don't forget to do little comment. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Smash!
Wait, go back a bit.
What are you doing?
Squashing your face.
Smash! Subscribe.